So today we are going to look at keyword research, and basically this is very important in order to find the right keyword that people are looking for. So there are two different major things that is one. The number one thing is demand generation, and other thing is demand fulfillment. So what basically these two things are? Basically people are looking for the certain things, and if they are not finding accurate thing that they are looking for, you can become someone who can fulfill their demand by providing that particular thing to the people. And here we are going to see the suggestions from that is suggested by Google, so we can find accurate keywords that people are really looking for, accurate thing that people are looking for. And after that we are going to look at some tools where we just type a particular keyword, and it will gonna suggest at multiple things that people are searching for. And after that we will gonna compare all of this keyword and find the right accurate keyword that will gonna benefit to us along with that. So basically let's hop up over here, and let's say this is our Google search engine, and I'm going to type like web development. So here you can see, once I write type web development, website development, so web development or website development, if I hit space, then you can see there are lots of things that people are searching for. And this is very good because I mean people exactly searching for these things. And you can easily look at, like, if I go to the projects or internship. So if I go to the projects, then here you can see like people are searching for web development project for a student, web development project with source code for beginners, and all of these things. And if I go to the GitHub, or so you can see like Python web development projects and full stack development projects on GitHub. So you can easily write a particular article in order to get some traffic from there. So here, this is how you can find accurate and particular keyword that people are searching for. And this is the very best method. Like whatever if I search for like cars, so basically if I hit enter, then people are looking for and cars under 5 lakh. And if you have a blog which is related to automobile industries, then you can easily write article all of these over these things, like under 5 lakh in Delhi, and after that 2021. So basically you can write a particular article over by referring by using this particular keyword. I mean this is a to very long tail, long tail keyword. Okay, so here this is how you can easily find the right keyword in order to write a particular blog that you are looking for. And whatever the niche you are picking, like you can easily do that. Like these are very accurate keywords that accurate things that people are looking for. Okay, so like Google will not gonna give you some irrelevant information if you search for. So here you can see like if you use some other platform, then other browser, then you can see lots of other suggestion along with it. Okay, and let's hop up to over here, and this is the keyword planner tool. So you can easily go to the like keyword planner, and once you go over here, you can see that there is a Google ad is running over there, and this is the particular thing. And you can sign up for this, and you can hop up over here. And this is once you click on this particular icon, you can go over here by clicking keyword planner, and that will take you over here. So if I search for like Python, and if I search for web developer, so these are the two keywords. So basically I have to hit enter before writing anything. So I mean after writing anything, just hit enter, and here you can see this particular tool picked this keyword. Okay, and if I type like web developer, so it will gonna pick this thing as well. So if you are searching for any, if you are in any nation, if you want to write a particular article over that particular thing. So like if I write Python, if I want to write Python development, Django development. So if I want to write article over Django development, so basically Google will gonna suggest me what exactly the people are looking for, and just click over here. Here you can say we have three keywords, and we can see the lots of things that people are searching for. And here you can see like we got lots of result by using these particular keywords: web developer, Django web development, Python. So people are searching for Python like 100,000 times to 1 million times, and which is very low. So if you write an article over Python and you put exact and accurate information, then you'll definitely gonna get some of the result. But this is very broad keyword, and like you have to pick some of related, like along with like you have to pick a long tail keyword in order to rank. And here you can see people are looking for web developer, Django development, and other keywords idea you can find like Django, PyCharm, Anaconda, Python online. So people are looking for all of these things, and here you can see we have a result like we can also increase this thing like 100. If I put 100 result, then here you can see like lots of result we are getting, and people are actually searching for these keywords as well. And here you can see like people also bidding like bidding on a particular keyword like 6 rupees, 13 rupees for a web developer keyword, and people are running ads over these particular keywords, and what I mean all of these things. And here you can see the competition over all of these keywords. So these are the low competitive keywords. So anyone can easily rank by using low competitive keywords or medium competitive keywords. So here all of these keywords are low competitive, and here you can see like this particular keyword is medium. So yeah, that's how you can easily find multiple keywords idea in order to rank a particular in order to write a particular article, or by picking a right and accurate keyword. So let's go to the Google Trends and what exactly this particular thing is. So how you can go to the Google Trends, just go over here and type Google Trends, and here you can see like this is the URL of this particular thing, and here this will take you to over here. So what exactly the Google Trend is? Basically people suppose you have a five different kind of keyword, different type of keyword, and you want to pick one keyword from that particular if you have a long tail five keyword, and if you are looking for that, like you want to find a right and accurate keyword. So and you can compare all of those keyword, and you can pick the right keyword that you are looking for. I mean whatever the keyword is ranking, and that's how that's the whole idea behind it. Okay, so suppose if I go to the keyword ideas, and here I can say like we are getting 100k to 1 million clicks over here. Okay, average monthly visitor. So if I mean Python will gonna win over here. So here you can see if I type like Python, okay, and if I type like C++, not S++, C++, React, if I type JavaScript, and if I type like only 5 keywords you can compare. If I type React, and if I search for Redux, which is also a very very good technology, I mean yeah. So here you can see we have 5 different keywords, and if you are thinking about like if you are having 5 different kind of keywords, and if you are thinking like on what topic I can write article, and how many traffic I'm gonna get. So here you can see C++ is ranking so much higher. over here. So here you can see like this particular thing is on over 30. This is, I mean, this particular keyword is ranking like 30 90 in interest over time. Like I mean, JavaScript is low and React is also low, which is basically React is just a newly launched thing. So yeah, and here you can see like C plus plus and C whatever we have comparing is ranking top of the top over here. So yeah, that's how it is. So here you can see like how these things are searching, like people are searching from different reason. So here you can see if if I click on anything, any particular region, then you can see the right and accurate information that what exactly the people are searching for. So here you can see like if you are if you are targeting some if you are having some kind of services, and if you are putting that particular keyword and comparing those keywords, so you can easily see that the people are from Massachusetts are searching for C, which is 53% in compared to Python, which is much more than that. And in California 53% over here, 53%. So all of the reason people are searching for, like in Washington people are searching for 54%, Python is 27%. So that's how you can easily find. Okay, and here you can see like a related query, meaning of like Python operator. Okay, these are not the things, so let's leave it. uh, okay, that's how you can easily find all I mean, you don't need to go through all of these these things, like these I mean, I'm not going to all of looking at all of the details. So you can easily understand how you can easily find right keyword in order to write a article. So yeah, that's how it is. So thanks for watching guys. I mean, this video tutorial is too long. I can share some of other information, but in the next video I'll definitely gonna share some of other things that are really important in order to find the right keyword. But these are very basic, and this is highly recommended if you are if you are going to write any kind of articles.